Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of Value Education. Let's begin with chapter number 7, Thinking Beyond Self. What is thinking beyond self? Thinking beyond self means think about others than us. Thinking for the community rather than person. This is called thinking beyond self. Here again they have given two stories. First is the story of a doctor and a small patient. Patient is a child of 3 days and it's not really a patient. The child has been brought to the doctor for giving polio drops. The mother and grandmother of the child are worried. They do not want him to give the polio drop. The grandmother as usual thinks that everything should be left to the God. She has 5 children and they all are well and good. They have not taken any polio drop or anything. So, God is the protector. He will take care of the child as well. The doctor tells to the grandmother that we have to take care by ourselves also. Let's not leave everything to the God. The mother, whereas, is worried about something else. She has heard from her friend that a child was given polio drops and immediately the child died. The doctor told her that the incident is not true. The child has died because of diarrhea and not because of polio. She explains how this eradication of polio is very important. How polio affects a child and how the person becomes always dependent on others. This makes the mother and grandmother think about the polio dose. The doctor, when she tries to get up, she also takes help of the nurse. She has crutches. The doctor herself is a patient of polio. The mother and grandmother both understand why the doctor is so serious about the polio dose, and the doctor gives polio dose to the child. The second story is Play the Game. Here there are 3 main characters. Mr. Fernandez, who is the coach, Gopi and Hari both are players. The match is going on. It is a football match and it is an international under 15 match. 2 children, Hari and Gopi. Gopi is strong whereas Hari is smart. But both think about their individual game and do not work for the team. Mr. Fernandez is annoyed with both of them. He makes them understand that they have to work as a team. They have to play for the team and not for individual. They should not think about their individual game and leave the dispute behind. This makes Hari and Gopi realize their mistake. They both decide the strategy to play the game and they play accordingly. In the end, they win the match. Why? Because in the end, they win the match because they understand that individual game is not important, but for working towards the team is very important. Team spirit is very important. This is what is called thinking beyond self. Students, in our day-to-day life, we see so many people who think beyond themselves, and that's why we live peacefully in our society. The police and soldiers think beyond themselves and take care of our society. That's why we can live safely at home. The doctors think beyond themselves and that's why we get medicines. In this way, many people are there who think beyond themselves and we get the services and we can live happily. In a way, we can say one who thinks beyond self contributes for the upliftment of our society. I hope all the children will inculcate this value in themselves. Thank you.